Welcome back to Greasy Spoon Crockpot Showdown, where we take legendary diners, drive-ins, and dives restaurant food and figure out how normal people can make it without babysitting a smoker for 18 straight hours. Today we are heading to El Paso, Texas, and visiting Desert Oak Barbecue, featured on Season 30, Episode 5 of Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives, called Standout Seafood. Guy Fieri rolled into what looked like an ordinary strip mall and expected average barbecue, but instead found one of the most respected Central Texas-style barbecue spots in the entire city. Owners Rich and Suzanne Funk run a real stick burner using oak wood with no gas assist, cooking briskets day and night for up to 18 hours to create their famous El Paso stuffed potato loaded with brisket, beans, cheese, sour cream, chives, and roasted jalapenos. Now listen, if you have 18 hours, a giant smoker, and enough oak wood to heat a small neighborhood, go for it. But around here we are using the Lazy Genius version. Start with 1 4-pound beef brisket, 2 tablespoons kosher salt, 2 tablespoons coarse black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Rub the brisket with everything and place it into a crock pot with 1 cup beef broth and 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Cook on low for 10 to 12 hours until it falls apart. About an hour before serving, make the jalapenos. Take 6 whole jalapenos, 1 sliced onion, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and the juice of 1 lime. Roast the jalapenos in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes until blistered. Then combine them with the onions, soy sauce, and lime juice, and let them sit while everything finishes. Next, make the beans by heating 1 can of pinto beans with 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon cumin. For the potatoes, grab 4 giant russet potatoes, poke them with a fork, wrap them in foil, and bake at 400 degrees for about 1 hour or until tender. Once they are soft, give them the same Guy Fieri football tackle treatment. Roll them on the counter to loosen the inside, slice them open, then load them up with 2 tablespoons butter, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons sour cream, a 1/4 pound of shredded brisket, a big spoonful of beans, chopped chives, and those roasted jalapenos right over the top. The result is ridiculous. Smoky brisket, creamy potato, melted cheese, rich beans, bright lime flavor, and roasted jalapenos all piled together into something that looks like it was designed by a hungry linebacker. Is it exactly the same as Desert Oak Barbecue's 18-hour oak smoked masterpiece? No. But this crockpot version still delivers that Texas barbecue comfort food experience without standing outside all night feeding a stick burner. And honestly, if Guy Fieri walked into your kitchen and saw this giant loaded potato covered in brisket, cheese, beans, and jalapenos, he would probably still call it a package deal. That's what Greasy Spoon Crockpot Showdown is all about. Restaurant inspiration, regular kitchen, minimum stress, maximum flavor,